There we see it again. A volume pot. And this is a basic or a linear potentiometer. And we see here the tone pot. And it is a 500K audio pot. Listen, this came out of a 1980s Kramer V. Where is it? It's right there. That's about an 85, 86. You know, again, whether it's higher end guitars or low end guitars, this is the way it has always been and always should be when it comes to custom shop guitars. And I could pull out tons and tons of these harnesses that I've pulled out of guitars over the years to show you that specific to the guitar circuit, when you wire a guitar circuit, you use a linear potentiometer for the volume and you use an audio potentiometer for the tone. In virtually every other circuit, you're going to find this to be the reverse. Whether if it's an amplifier circuit, you're going to find it to be the reverse. And not necessarily the reverse, but in a lot of other circuits, you're going to find it to be the reverse. In amplifier circuits, you will see a lot of linear pots used as tone circuits and audio pots used as volume, which is very common, and it is the right way to do things. In the guitar circuit specifically, and if you want me to explain it further, I can do that, but I shouldn't have to. It's been, you know, it's amazing that people still argue about this. And it's still funny to me with companies that call themselves tone pros. After I purchase a volume and tone kit from them, and I say, hey, it would have been nice to have linear pots for my volume, they get all pissy with me. And they're like, you know, we've got to argue with this constantly, la da da. Well, if you're arguing with it constantly, doesn't it tell you that you might be wrong? You know, it'd be one thing if you were arguing with it once in a while. But if you're arguing it constantly, don't you think maybe you might be the person that's wrong? So again, when you wire up a guitar and you use your volume pots, it is a basic or linear potentiometer for the volume, and it is a audio potentiometer for the tone. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. That is the way it is.